Welcome to Ocean City High School's quick tutorial on how to locate your students' grades on PowerSchool. To get to the Unified Classroom login page, please go to classroom.powerschool.com. Please use the login credentials you created when registering for a PowerSchool account. This will bring you to your student's dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see information about grades to date, upcoming assignments, as well as other information. Scroll towards the bottom of the dashboard screen. You will come to a standard progress box. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a blue View All option. Please go ahead and click it. This will bring you to your student's standard grades page. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a tab that's listed as Grades and Attendance. Please go ahead and click that. This will bring you to a list of your students' classes as well as current grades to date. Please go ahead and click on the blue grade for any particular class. This will bring you to an itemized list of assignments for that particular class and grades received. And that's how it's done. Good luck!